how to make a post public on your creator account page on Patreon. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to patreon.com and log into your account. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is so simple, so please follow with me. First step is go here to your creator account on Patreon and then scroll down to your post that you want to make it public. I'm gonna choose this one, so all what you have to do is click here on this pencil. After you click on the pencil, it will take you to this page. Now choose public from here and click save from here. It's actually very easy, so please, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.